These are the cubes that I won from Malaysia Cube Championship 2019. So this is the YJ YuPo V2M 2x2. It's YJ's latest budget line 2x2. The cube is pretty good. Corner cutting is pretty good for a budget cube as well. Reverse, the reverse is pretty good as well. But one flaw of it is that it corner twists. So corner twists may occur occasionally, but for a budget cube, this is to be expected. And with the added magnets, the cube feels very stable. The magnet strength isn't that strong, but you can definitely feel it while turning slowly, and while turning fast, you don't really feel anything. Next one, we have the YJ YuLong V2M. It's also the latest budget line 3x3 from YJ, and the speed of it is really fast. It's even faster than the YuPo, so the cube is just super ridiculously fast. As you can see, does a U3 with one flick. So other than that, the performance is pretty good. I haven't tensioned it yet, but it seems alright with this tension. And my fingers will somehow get caught inside pieces, so that's not really a good thing. And since this cube does not have those squared off corners, as you can see the corners are quite rounded, the corner twist may happen. So just note that this cube, it's very good, except for the fact that it's very fast and corner twist does occur. This cube can also be slowed down with lubricants, so if you have some thicker lubricants, you can use it on this cube. That I think it will be a very good thing to do. Next up, YJ YuChuang V2M 5x5. So this 5x5 is pretty decent, except it does lock up a bit, although the speed isn't that quick. So let's do some turning. Oh, and it feels very soft. So corner cutting, not that good, but okay. Reverse, okay, reverse is a bit bad. You can only cut like just a tiny bit. Lastly, we have the YJ YuFu V2M 7x7. So this 7x7 is my favorite out of all the cubes that I've got from the competition. So this cube is very smooth and quick, but however, the corner cutting may not seem as good as the other flagship on the market. So let's do turning. I don't know if you can tell, but this cube is very quick and smooth. So the feeling is actually better than a Spark in my opinion, but overall it's not as good as a Spark 7x7 because of the lack of corner cutting, and its speed is too quick to control. This is right out of the box, so I haven't had the chance to set the cube up, but I think I'll be doing next week or something. So this cube is just very insanely good. So I think this is a good choice for beginners that wanted to start 7x7 but don't want to get something very expensive but good. So this is definitely your best option to get right now.